Do you need to add another account on Facebook but don't know how? In this short tutorial, I'll walk you through the steps of adding a new account in just a few quick and easy steps. So make sure to watch this video until the very end to understand the tutorial properly. To get started, open up the Facebook mobile app and then tap on the menu button at the bottom right corner of the screen. After that, scroll down to the bottom and tap Log Out at the bottom center. And then tap Log Out one more time to confirm your action. As you can see, I already have 2 accounts on my Facebook app. So to add another account, simply tap where it says Log into another account. And then go ahead and enter the login details of the other account that you want to add, or you can tap where it says Create New Account to create a brand new Facebook account. If you want to log into any of your other accounts, just tap on the account that you want to log into. As you can see, it instantly logged me into that account, and I didn't even have to enter the login details. If you want to switch accounts, just tap on the menu button at the bottom right corner of the screen. Scroll down, and tap Log Out. And then just tap on the other account. So this is how you can add another Facebook account and switch between them. So that wraps up this tutorial. If you have any questions about this whole process, please let me know in the comments section below. And if this video helped you out, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching and have a good day.